This is the 2025 Jolly Box from Fat Quarter Shop. And this is a specialty box. They have different ones, different times of the year. This is the Christmas one. Can't remember, it's a limited edition. Can't remember exactly what it cost. I'll look that up and put it in the description below. But comes in a box like this. And there's lots of goodies in here. So let's take a look and see what's in here. As always, there's a promo code, and it's actually still good for a little bit longer, but that's for me. There's a pattern, Mistletoe Moments quilt pattern. And this is for a 52 by 56 inch quilt. Cute. By Bev McCullough. Let's see what else we've got in here. Okay, we have a tree skirt. This is a panel. So it's a tree skirt and mini stocking. Let's take a look, see what it is. Okay. So big. Okay. So there is a tree skirt. Oh, okay. There's a tree skirt. Then you can see there are some stockings here on the end. And there. Beautiful colors. This is really neat. This might be something that I put in a giveaway box because I've already got a Christmas skirt, tree skirt that I really like that I made. So we'll see. There is also a large spool of Arlfield thread, which is one of my favorite threads to use. It's great. It's a 50 weight. Let's see, what's the value on that? Value on this thread is $16.48. For the panel is $23.98. And the quilt pattern is $9.98. Here we have Mistletoe Moments, and it's a Christmas ornament by Beverly McCullough. Ooh, that is heavy. That's a heavy one. That's cute. I like to put that on the tree. And the value on this is $14.48. So that is cute. It's a Mistletoe Moments ornament featuring a snowy red cottage framed with festive greenery. This exclusive treasure feels like a little winter wonderland you can hang right on your tree. Isn't that cute? And then there's a fabric bundle. This is beautiful. These are fabrics from Beverly McCullough. And it looks like they are fat quarters. There's one. See if I can kind of open it. Don't really want to open it all the way. Okay. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 different fat quarters. Plenty of fabric there to make some Christmas projects. And the value of the fabric is $36.98. Like I said, I can't remember. This is more than a normal sew sampler box. I'll look it up and I can put the price underneath and down in the comments. But this is beautiful, and that's a cute pattern. So hope you enjoyed seeing what was in the 2025 Jolly Box for Christmas. Thank you.